One of the most important skills you can have as a trader is your ability to identify key levels in multiple time frames and be able to make your decision. Key levels simply tells you where the institutional traders are actually playing around. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to identify key levels in multiple time frames and be able to make a trading decision based on that. The time frames you watch depends on the kind of trader you are. If you are a swing trader, you are most likely going to be watching monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, and maybe 4 hours time frame for your entry. Then if you are a day trader, you are most likely to be watching daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, maybe 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame for your entry. Then if you're an intraday trader, you are most likely going to be looking at 4 hours, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes, and maybe 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame for your entry.